How to use async and await in C# to create asynchronous methods. We'll demonstrate how async and await works with three processes that make the same breakfast. All three breakfast processes will make toast, eggs, and coffee, but in a different synchronous way. Breakfast 1 will run top to bottom in the normal synchronous way. Breakfast 2 will run asynchronously but await each task to finish before starting the next task. Breakfast 3 will run all its tasks concurrently or simultaneously at once, without waiting for one task to finish before starting the next. In Breakfast 1, we see the method execute the three private methods to make toast, eggs, and coffee in sequence. We added a bit of delay to each of these tasks. Breakfast 2 sets up the methods to be asynchronous with the async keyword. Asynchronous methods must return a task. The make methods return a bool in their tasks. The public makeBreakfast method uses the await keyword when it calls the three private methods. This will kick off a method and return control to the calling method or main method to continue. Once the awaited method completes, the code will jump back to the makeBreakfast method and continue on the next line of code after the await statement. In Breakfast 3, we start all three tasks simultaneously without await. In other words, we're not waiting for one task to finish before starting the next. Then we simply await the results of the tasks. We need to point out, in our main method, we didn't use the await keyword when we called Breakfast 2. This is because we wanted the main method to continue executing without waiting for Breakfast 2 to finish first. As you can see in the editor's warning message, this call is not awaited, and the current method continues. Let's run this and see what happens. As expected, Breakfast 1 runs each task synchronously and completes the whole method before moving on. Breakfast 2 starts the toast but needs to wait for it, so it jumps back to the main menu and continues with Breakfast 3. Breakfast 3 kicks off all its tasks concurrently. In the meantime, the toast and eggs finish in Breakfast 2. Then, Breakfast 2 and 3 finishes. But notice, Breakfast 3 with the concurrent tasks is done before Breakfast 2. To better understand this, let's walk through the code. First, Breakfast 1 runs its tasks sequentially and completes. The main method continues and runs Breakfast 2. Breakfast 2 starts making the toast, but the await keyword tells it to wait here for the task to finish. In the meantime, the main method gets control back, displays a message, and starts Breakfast 3. Breakfast 3 kickstarts all its tasks concurrently, then awaits their results. Again, while Breakfast 3 is waiting, control goes back to the main method and a message is displayed. In the meantime, Breakfast 2 has moved on to its other tasks. While it's waiting for them to finish, Breakfast 3 is already done. And finally, Breakfast 2 is completed. Thank you for watching our video. For more tutorials on C#, hit subscribe and click the reminder. Give us a like so the video can be visible to more people.